Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I decided to sit down and play with makeup again, and I came up with this very soft, kind of warm toned look. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do that. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. My brows are on. I will link my brow tutorial in the cards above, and I went ahead and primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I set that in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to buff You're a Gem from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette all throughout my crease. Now I'm buffing Carnelian a little bit lower in my crease. And I'm taking that on my outer corner as well. Now with this maroon shade from the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, I am lightly putting that on my inner corner and in my crease as well. Now with the Tarte Shape Tape again, I'm not necessarily going to do a cut crease, but I am going to kind of blank out this inner portion of my lid for the next shade. Now I'm packing Sunstone all over where I just put that concealer. Gonna intensify it a little bit with my finger. Going back in with that magenta shade, I am going to kind of line my eyes with it and do a rough wing. I wet my brush to intensify the pigment, and apparently this shadow doesn't work wet. Now I'm taking Amethyst on top of that, but keeping it a little bit tighter so you can still see that maroon shade on the edges. And I know that this shade is one that you can use wet, so I am wetting my brush for this one. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Now with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, I am just priming my pores. Now I'm covering up my under eyes and any other discoloration with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I'm setting my under eyes with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Adding some definition into my face with the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. Now I'm adding some warmth into the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Now I'm popping on the Tarte blush in Party. And I'm hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. I'm redefining my freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm lining my lips with the Colourpop Lippie pencil in Lumiere. Putting on some of the Trestique Matte Lip Crayon in Florence Fig. Popping some of Makeup Forever's Artist Rouge Cream and Praline Beige on top of that. Gosh, I really just like this combo. And topping all of that off with the Matte Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Now I'm buffing your Gem on my lower lash line. Deepening that up just a little bit with Carnelian. Hitting the inner half of my lower lash line with Sunstone. Highlighting my brow bone with my Precious. Popping Pearl on my inner corner. And then just taking a little bit of Diamond and popping that right on top of Pearl. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Bitch, calm down. Okay. So I used the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive to put on the Kiss lashes in Ritzy, and then for mascara I used the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.